Hi, my name is Dan Williams. I'm with Hall Research. I'm a sales engineer out of the Orlando, Florida area, and I'm happy to be here at InfoComm in the Hall Research booth. What I'd like to show you today is our LumaStream AV over IP encoders and decoders. These are H.264, 265 based encoders and decoders. So you've got lower bandwidth needs and the ability to send and distribute video over standard Ethernet network at a lower bandwidth than some of the other products in the market. It is a best of show InfoComm winning solution. This is a product that's available and shipping right now today. We're demonstrating how you can see the lower latency of the product and just how it works. One of the biggest benefits of it, in addition to cost, is the fact that you can easily and quickly switch streams simply by pressing a button on the decoder and go back and forth between streams. It's also available for use for remote control. We have an open API, so you're able to use just about any control system with it. And you can find out more information about this product and other products on the market today by going to hallresearch.com.